Hello, my name's Mary Moran. I'm 42 years old and I have recently had my atlas corrected by Marie-Agnès, and I want to tell you about how I feel after that. So for many years I have felt that my spine has not been straight, my hips have been out of line, quite badly out of line, and I knew that my back was causing me trouble. So I heard about Marie-Agnès through a friend. I decided to come and see her and to see what this atlas correction might do for me. I was a little bit sceptical because I'm a lawyer and I am not really into, fancy, complicated naturopathic stuff. I am quite scientifically based and I wasn't quite sure what this would do, but my friend was very convinced that this was a good thing, so I decided to try it. So I had it done by Marie-Agnès, and as soon as she was using the instrument to move the atlas back into place, I felt a tingling down my left-hand side, a sort of an awakening in a sense of the nerves, I think, down the left-hand side of my body. And it wasn't painful, it felt a bit odd, but it wasn't painful, and she finished, and then I got up and we measured the length of my legs, which weren't the same length to begin with, and they were now exactly the same length, in line. And so I walked home and I felt suddenly as I was walking that my back was released, that I was walking straight without walking lopsided, which was quite an odd feeling after so many years of being lopsided. And this feeling just continued, through the next day, through the evening, through the next day and onwards. Then I started to feel that my spine was slightly confused. It wasn't sure whether it was going right, left, backwards, forwards. And I went and had a massage, and I was told that my spine was very confused. It was in at one end, out at the other end. I think it was deciding what had happened and wondering what had happened to it. And so I came today for my second appointment with Marie-Agnès, wondering again whether the atlas for some reason had fallen out and got back into its old place. I wondered whether that was what was confusing to my spine. But we measured my legs again, they're still the same length, and now I've just had the massage by the funny equipment that the astronauts use, which is tingling still down my back even though I've finished. So I think that this is doing good for my back, and I'll see over the next few months and weeks whether this is going to continue. But I'm quite excited by all of this, and I may go and buy that machine to see if I can use it still for other bits, if I have muscle pain or I have a bad Achilles tendon, it might help that. So I'm going to try it. Thank you.